I have, but not. Why? You have to.
Because I need to send you details.
Oh, okay.
Okay, after you give me the number. Okay.
Ano sir? Mag-upload.
Okay, I know there's going to be a lot of distraction here.
How about Viber? How about Viber?
I don't have Viber.
Ay, kayo.
What's up here?
Okay. Keep your cameras ready. Right?
Okay.
They're going to pass by.
Okay.
But don't have to get worried. Extremely worried because we are also coming back here on the city tour day after tomorrow.
Yes. Day after tomorrow.
Right? Okay, just don't take photograph now. Right? You have a better photograph when we have together day after tomorrow.
Kayo. Wala, balit na yung next. Wait a mga piso. Thank you for your call.
Okay, on your right here, hotels.
Grabe.
All these are hotels.
Ito.
And this is another Singapore flyer, which is on the left coming up. Okay, that's in front here. Singapore flyer.
Oo.
What's the flyer?
Okay, Singapore flyer.
That's it now.
Not recommended.
Not recommended for now.
You go to sleep.
Because of our speed?
No, it's too slow.
Too slow?
Wala, wala rin sir. Kung ano
Very
natin.
slow.
How about the Marina Bay?
Marina Bay Sands is there right in front. Okay, keep on looking on your right.
Right.
Okay, you see the Merlion?
Picture mo, picture mo.
Never mind. We are going to go there. We'll be there day after tomorrow. Okay, you see this lovely bridge? It's called the DNA Bridge.
Isigaw na sa yellow.
Katong magabi, no? Katong atong nakuha na, no?
Okay, the white building here is a museum, Art Science Museum.